In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tumblers in Starbucks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on the Starbucks website and how to quickly spot the tumbler you want, along with its name and price. First, open your browser and head to the Starbucks website. For this walkthrough, we're using the Starbucks Philippines site, so you can go to starbucks.ph or directly to Starbucks menu. Don't worry if your regional site looks a little different. The general layout and wording are usually similar, and the option we need is the same idea across versions. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to get oriented. At the top of the page, you'll typically see the main navigation. On a phone or tablet, you may need to tap a menu icon to reveal it. We're looking for the section labeled Merchandise. It's often displayed right alongside menu items like drinks and food, and it might be in all caps. Go ahead and click Merchandise. This takes you into the area where Starbucks showcases its retail products. Everything from mugs and tumblers to seasonal collections. You'll land on a grid-style page with product images. Think of this as the storefront for all of their accessories. Inside the merchandise section, start browsing. Scroll through the items at a comfortable pace and pay attention to the product thumbnails and short labels. You'll usually see a mix of mugs, cold cups, and tumblers. Tumblers are often taller, with lids designed for travel or cold beverages. If you're on a smaller screen, give the page a second to load images as you scroll so you don't miss anything. As you browse, keep your preferences in mind. Consider the size you want. Many tumblers list capacity in milliliters or ounces, plus the material, whether stainless steel or plastic, and the finish or colorway. Seasonal or limited designs may appear near the top, while classic styles can sit a bit lower in the list. When you spot a tumbler you like, click the product image or its title. That will open the product detail page. Here, you'll see the tumbler's full name and its price clearly displayed near the top. Take a moment to read any description on the page. It often includes the capacity, material, lid type, and care notes, which can help you confirm it's the right fit for your daily use. That's it. To recap, go to the Starbucks website, head to the merchandise section, browse through the listings, click the tumbler you're interested in, and view its name and price on the product page. Happy browsing, and enjoy finding the perfect Starbucks tumbler for your style.